preview.
Hello everyone and welcome again to the basic learning. Now this is the part 7 of our compound interest series. Here I have put one question, that is, in how many years will a sum of rupees 8,000 at 5% per annum becomes rupees 9,261. Now here the number of years has been asked. Okay, you already know that the sum means principal, that is 8,000, and 5% per annum means yearly basis. Okay, and becomes rupees, this is your amount. Now the formula you will be applying, first of all let's put the values. Here principal is rupees 8,000, rate is 5% per annum, and amount is 9,261. Now the time duration is asked. Okay, so the formula you will be applying will be amount equal P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. So let's do the question. Amount is 9261 equal 8,000 bracket 1 plus 5 upon 100 to the power n, because n we are putting here because we don't know the value of time. We have to find the value of time here. So when we change this here, मतलब जब ये यहाँ आता है तो इसकी वैल्यू मीन्स ये डिवाइड में आ जाएगा. ओके, दिस कम्स इन डिवाइड पार्ट. सो 9261 अपॉन 8,000 इक्वल 1 plus 5 upon 100 to the power n. As you all know that the cube of 21 is 9261. You must remember the cubes. Okay. So 9261 21 is the cube, and here 8,000. 8,000. The cube of 20 is 8,000. Okay. This is the cube. Now 1 plus 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 zeros are 0. 20, taking the LCM, 20 ones are 20 plus 1, that is 21 upon 20 to the power n. Now you can clearly see the bases. On comparing the bases are same, and that is we get number of years are 3. So here number of years are 3 that we get, and this the question, this was related to find the number of years. So I hope this question is clear to you. Let's see another question. Now I have taken another question. The question is, Mr. Ramesh invested rupees 1,000 in a finance company and received rupees 1,331, that is 1,331 after 3 years. Find the rate of interest and compound interest. So the previous question was related to find the number of years, time duration, and here we have to find the rate of interest and compound interest. So here your principal is rupees 1,000 and your amount is 1,331. So the formula which you will be applying here will be amount, that is same only, and the rate of interest we have to find. So amount equal P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Okay, so amount is 1,331 upon 1,000 equal, I am doing the question directly. It will be more easy to understand because we have done the question related to this part previously also. but the rate of interest we are finding here, and in that question we were doing the question related to find the number of years. So I have put it here the same value, or I am doing the question right now here. That is, amount is 1331 equal 1000. 1 plus rate we have to find upon 100 to the power n is the time duration is 3 years. After 3 years. Okay, now same I have put it here. When this comes here, it will be in division. Equal 1 plus r upon 100 to the power n. 133 is the cube of 11, and here 10,000 is the cube of 10. 10 is the cube 1000, and 11's cube is 1331. When this comes here, when we open the bracket, it comes 1 plus r upon 100. Okay, the number of years are 3. So when we open the bracket, here it comes 1. Okay, when this is for plus, when this comes here, it will be of minus. Minus 1 equal r upon 100. Now 10 ones are 10, minus 1, it gives, when we minus 10, it gives 1 upon 10 equal r upon 100. So now when we change this into multiplier, this the r upon 100 will be changed into reciprocal, that is 1 upon 10 into 100 upon r. 0 reduced by 0. Now the rate of interest that we get is 10%. Okay, I hope this question is clear to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe our channel, and yes, hit the bell icon to get more latest updates. Thanks for watching.